Hello.
Hello.
Hi friends, good morning to all of you. So today we are having a session on conflict management, which is coming up, one, due to cultural differences, two, due to personality differences. So we have tried to dramatize this a bit. So we'll get started. Just to give you the flow of our dramatized role play, Bratati will be the Scrum Master throughout. I'll be playing the roles of a third-party South African team lead initially. We'll be discussing about some conflicts we have with that third party. And then she'll be talking to one of the junior developers from India. And thirdly, she'll be talking to one of the UK tech leads. So we'll get started.
Yeah, sure.
So we'll start with the third-party South African team lead called Zaire.
Hey,
hello.
Hi there. Hello.
Hi, Bratati. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So go ahead, Bratati. Why would you want this call today?
Yeah. So basically the main agenda of this call is I wanted to know, right now, so many mail chain is going on. You have seen, right? Most of the priority issues like business is giving the raising their concern, like whatever CR they are targeting for, but they are not getting that on time. Right. So and they are raising so many incidents, and that was also not getting resolved. So just wanted to know whether are you facing any challenges in team that to deliver those CR to the business, like what exactly is happening? I just wanted to know so that I can help you.
Sure. My apologies for initially we couldn't give you your CR on time. But I would also like to confess that I couldn't get a chance to see your CRs initially because we have a very small team here, and we are getting a lot of CR requests from multiple teams, and we are finding it difficult to prioritize, and like you, everybody chasing us. Along with that, we have some constraints in the place we are working, where it is equatorial type, and by 4:35 in the evening, all full rain, torrential rain we get. There will be no electricity. The internet is unstable. So, and if people are coming to office, going back, very difficult. So we are shutting down office by 4:35 with 2-3 people team and limited working hours, finding it very difficult to address all the CRs on time. I am not sure what to do about it, but yeah, it is a problem. Any solution you can suggest, Bratati?
Yeah, so here I would like to suggest you that you can have a running log with yourself, okay, and with your team, and you can prioritize those CR. Suppose you can't work on everything and ended up doing nothing, so it is not good. So limit your work in progress, prioritize your CR, what is important. You have a BA or PO in your team, right? They can talk to the business and get the most priority or critical CR. Those you can deliver, right? According to your team velocity, what velocity they are delivering from past 5 to 6 sprints. So you can get those velocity, and according to that, you can commit to the business that this much CR, these are the priority one, and we can deliver this. And you have to see that team should not overcommit. Okay. Suppose they have decided that they can able to deliver only 100 story point, and that include this 3 or 4 CR, that you can tell business. And also BA or PO, whoever is working in your team, has to make business understand that everything they can't work together, right? So they have to give some critical CR which they want very an urgent basis. So something like that, you have to make business understand also that we have this much team capacity and this much we can able to deliver. Okay. And another thing is that the problem you're facing in your team, like some people are in office and due to that heavy rain every day, if people are not able to, come back home. So I hope that you all are working in a hybrid model. Suppose 2-3 member, when they feel that they are like, you can do a schedule one thing like 2 people can go to office on that day and some other people can be at home. So if some people are facing issues in office while returning back to home, other 3 people uh, can be their backup and they can work upon it, instead of everybody is going to office and stuck in the office and no outcome is coming, right? So in that way, rotation wise, you can do, like, don't send everyone to the office if it is at all possible from your end. Is a like suggestion from my end.
Okay.
And also, I can do one thing. I can schedule a call with you and all of your team member, the PO or the BA, to have a workshop kind of thing, like where I can make them understand what is the prioritization technique. If they are like doing for the first time and it is very difficult for them to understand or doing prioritization, so I can give the session on that. Okay, so they can have a proper idea. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Pratati.
Yeah.
One problem is this not only coming from office to house. Everything is located close by. So once the torrential rain starts after 4:35, there's no power in the whole town. So no, we cannot be working after that. All the businesses in this area close down by 5 o'clock. So that is something we cannot do anything about. But I like that idea of having the running log, and our team will sit and analyze the various CRs, how much complexity it is there in each CR, and based on the priority of the team and the aging of those tickets, we can probably start working on that.
Yeah.
And it will be nice to have the prioritization sessions with you. And along with that, I think we can also have a weekly call.
Weekly call to understand
all the people who have raised CRs and tell them the status of the tickets, and they can also tell us the criticality of the... Okay, to start off with, can you please also help us setting up this call with the various people who have raised CRs also? Then we can get stabilized.
Yeah, sure. I can probably have a stabilization call I can schedule. And weekly once we can have the call and get the update to see whether all our CR, whatever we have committed for, we are track on that. Yeah, I can do that. Okay. Anything else? Any other concern you want to have?
I think that's all for now. We'll start with this and see how it goes. Thanks, Pratati, for calling up for this.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So as you have seen that Zaid from South Africa, they are from different background, coming from different culture. And so for them, they are facing the difficulties, like they are working on everything, whatever it is coming for them. So here prioritization is very much important to see, like what is on priority. So we need to involve business. That's why we have a stabilization call where whoever the people raising the CR, we need to understand that whether it is very critical for them. If it is yes, we can take those, and according to our team capacity, team velocity, they will be working upon. So that also should be very transparent to the business or to the third party, whoever is raising the CR, that, okay, we have this many team member and they can work on this much. And also limit the work in progress is also very much important here, because you can't work on everything, right? So you need to limit your work in progress. Start with one of the things, finish it, then again start with the second work. So that is how you need to make the team understand. That's why I asked Zaid that I will have a workshop kind of thing where I can give the prioritization technique section on that. Then how we can limit the work in progress. So all these things we can have together. And I think we will be able to manage this issue in this way. Yeah.
Thanks for that, Bratati. So next we'll go on to the other conflict with our junior developer from India, Sneha.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Hi, Sneha.
Hi, Bratati. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. So since you joined, I didn't get a chance to talk to you, one-on-one. So first time we are meeting and having a chat over the camera. Yeah, it's good to see you. So you're located in Bangalore, right?
Yeah, I am located in Bangalore, but I am basically from Chennai.
Okay.
I studied and grown up in Chennai only. Technically, I am very excited, interested in doing a lot of technical stuff. So
Yeah.
I want to be developer and move in that line only.
Yes.
I am liking this project very much. I'm working on this. But I was facing one concern. Then my friends told me that I can reach out to Scrum Master to address the problems. This tech lead from UK
Yeah.
is Erika. Erika, you know Erika?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
We are junior developers now. So from this perspective, we won't know exactly how to do everything because we are out of college now. So we will be getting stuck. Whenever I am calling her, looks like she is little getting irritated with me. She is not giving time. Until she gives time and I am not able to fix that issue, I am not able to proceed. So a lot of time waste is happening. So what to do about this?
Okay.
I just wanted to talk to you on this.
Okay. So yeah, first I would like to start from here. Like, yeah, indeed, it's a very good project. As you said, you're very much interested in technical thing, right? So you can get a lot of technical stuff where you can get a lot of new things to work on, and you can get news. You can acquire new skill in this particular project. We have a lot of opportunities in this particular project. Okay, so indeed, it's a very good project. And second one about Erika. Yeah, I know her. She's from UK. But the thing is, like, as you said, that she's a little get irritated. It's nothing like that actually, because she's managing 3-4 teams. Apart from this team, she's managing another 4 teams. So her schedule is she is very much busy. Okay, and also sitting there and working directly with the business is also very difficult. Every time business will be on top of her head, and that's why she will be little stressed out, or that is the only thing. Otherwise, she is a very good person. Anyways, I will talk to her for this, because like, you are the new joiner to that team, right? So I think I'll go and talk to her. It's not an issue, not a big deal. But one more thing I just wanted to ask, whether have you meet all other team member in this project in the Bangalore? Are you going to office?
In this hybrid model, I'm going 2 days to office. Some little more senior people are there. If Erika doesn't have time, can you please let me know if there is somebody else I can reach out to?
Yeah. Yes. So that is my next point, actually. Yeah, that is my next point. I wanted to give a suggestion. Like, we have a lot of other members in the team, which like, they are working from past more than 2 years in the same project, and they are having a good knowledge, and they are also very helpful. And whenever any new joiner comes, they used to guide them properly. Okay. So
we will check with her if there is you're able to.
We have Ramesh in our team. Okay, we have Jyotika in our team. So I'll do one thing. I know that since you joined, we haven't have any session introductory session with all the team members. So I'll do one thing. I'll make sure that this week itself I can have an introductory session with you and other team members, so that you can have a face-to-face conversation with them. You can introduce yourself, and I'll ask other team member also to introduce them to you, so that you'll also be able to understand who is there in your team and whom to reach out. But yeah, Ramesh and Jyotika, these two persons are very helpful. You can talk to them. I'll also talk to them. Don't worry that we have a new person in the team. Anyway, in the introductory session, they'll get to know. So yeah, this way I think you
That
will be
able very
to,
useful.
Yeah. So very small thing. Like whenever you face any challenges, you first reach out to them. If they won't be able to,
Okay.
They won't be able to give any solution, then probably you can reach out to Edureka. It's not an issue, but Edureka is also a very good person. Yeah.
Thank you, Bratati.
Okay. Any other issue, let me know. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay, so here, as you have seen that she's a very new to the team, and as a Scrum Master, it is our responsibility that whenever some new person is onboarding to the team, they should able to know all the team member which whoever is working with. So you can have a small introductory session with them. If they are meeting in the office, then you can quickly go to cafeteria with all your team members and have a conversation, or you can start the conversation. You make them comfortable, the new joiner, that if you have a proper session with them, they will also feel very comfortable to open up with other team members. They will also share their problem with them. Problem in the sense, if they're facing any challenges in work, whom to reach out. Okay, because the UK lead, she's the she's the lead and working from different country, and also having managing a lot of other team, have a lot of pressure, right? So directly reach out to her. If you have other team members around, those who are experienced and able to help you, so first you can reach out to them. So yes, as a Scrum Master, definitely you have to create a room where the new joinee and the experienced one will come together, will share their ideas. So yeah, that will be one of my solution to this kind of conflict or issues. Yeah.
Thanks, Pratati. So we'll move on to the UK tech lead, Edureka.
Yeah, sure.
Hi, Pratati. Good morning.
Edureka.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good too. A long time we were not able to talk to each other. Yeah, please go ahead. What brings?
Yeah, that's right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so the problem I was able to get to know from Zair what the problem he was facing, right? So he shared that it is like why they're not able to deliver all the CR what they are getting, right? Because in their team there is a lot of problem is happening. People won't able to work after 4:30 or 5 due to heavy rain, or right. So they are not able to.
All of us have problems. If we go on ranting about our problems this way, we are not going to get anywhere.
Yes, sure. We all have a problem, and we need to overcome. And Jade also, he also agrees that so he's ready to do whatever I have just given idea to him. Like we can have a running log, we can prioritize the issues, like and also weekly we can have a stabilization call, which is most important. The stabilization call to whoever raising the CR, like what is the progress on that. So it's not like that after 3-4 weeks they are coming like without they don't have any idea what is happening. So every week if you are having a stabilization call, they'll get the idea that this year this is the progress, or this year this some problem is there, some data issue, or there some other third party dependency issue is there. So all these things we can get discussed in the same call, other than just escalating over the mail. Okay.
And let them do whatever they want. But, you know, I being a senior in the team and facing the customers directly, I don't want to take the brunt because of somebody's issue. So please take care of this and just get them on board and just ask them to do something.
Sure. I'm going to have a session with them, so that in their team they can able to understand, they can able to have the idea how they can prioritize their thing, and they can work work towards those things. So let me have a session with them in the next week, and have this let me have the stabilization call with the business, and probably will be on good shape in next 1 or 2 weeks. So again, I'll connect with you by end of the next week.
Okay. Hopefully the spoke is out of the wheel by then.
Yeah. And one more thing I wanted to discuss, like Sneha, who joined newly to the team.
Right. Looks like a girl out of college right now. She is
the college,
like, I'm not sure if how good she is and what was the scanning process when they were doing the recruitment. She's like behind me. It's like, it's really irritating to have some juniors around you and you're not able to do your prioritized work. And she's just asking you all the kinds of, I can say silly, but maybe elementary questions, but I'm not here to do that. Even I wanted to raise this with you about her. Can you just arrange somebody else who can take care of this? Really, I don't have time for these kind of issues,
No, actually, as I told you, right, she's very new to the team. She doesn't know who is working in the team that much, actually. So that's why I think like she directly reached out to you. But anyway, we have other team member, other experienced person in our team, right? So I have asked them to definitely help Sneha on this. And so it might happen like whoever joins newly, right, they might have a silly questions because they are just joined to the project and they don't have any previous experience or working on any organization, right? They just pass out from the college and join the organization, right? So here also we have to be little, collaborative, work with them so that they also feel comfortable in the project, and we also understand that they are new. So I think we can anyway, I have already told her that you can work with other team members, not an issue, but something if it is not resolved by other team members, it's a very critical one.
That is
you can reach out to Erika.
Totally fine. If it's something really concerning or it's a technical challenge, I can understand. But otherwise, small things, I think she can reach out to any of her offshore counterparts, and she may not even have to wait for the time difference to lapse so that I come in and help her out and all that stuff.
Correct.
Yeah, that'll be really helpful if she gets in touch with any of the offshore guys there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, so she's we can
hope you liked our session, and we thought of dramatizing it a bit this time on the conflict management with different kinds of cultures. Cultures may be different, but it's not that every time they're doing it on purpose, they don't want to help us. It's not that way. So if we try to understand from their perspective, from their shoes, maybe if we try to be more inclusive, then we'll be able to work as a team better with more synergy. That's what we wanted to convey. And juniors, seniors having some kind of issues is quite common in all the teams. Setting a hierarchy like whom they have to go to first or whom they have to go to next. That will be kind of easy for all of us so that they don't feel very out of place as a junior, and the seniors don't feel that they are wasting their time also. So we thought of covering these couple of conflict situations in this session. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Apurva. Yeah, thanks.
Bye.